Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke and Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budget and paying off for that and minor business and not necessarily in them for order. If this is your first time here, I'll be consider subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment down below. In today's video we are going to be doing my monthly budget closeout, and if you guys can hear my voice like this, it's because I have a sore throat, y'all, and I think I have strep, so I gotta go to the doctor today to confirm it if I have strep, and then I can go from there. But just want to let y'all know, just in case y'all are wondering why I'm talking like this, because usually I'm like a little higher, y'all, but you know, your girl is feeling like if she goes a little bit higher, she's doing a little too much. So we're not gonna waste any time, we're just gonna get right into the video, and I'm gonna zoom y'all right up all in so we can go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first, my salary. So for November I did get some increase. Well, some increase. I did get an increase in November for my paycheck, and so I budgeted $2,800, but the actual amount that I received for November was $3,907.88. Oh my god, that sounds so like, it's just so weird for me, because I would love to like be a little kiki and thing with y'all, but like I am trying to preserve this throat, child, trying to preserve this throat. So I'm not trying to speak too loud, you know, make the vocal boxes be moving and shaking. Yeah, we ain't trying to do all that. So now let's go through my business expenses, since we now know how much I got for income sources. Yeah, when I tell you, because of my sore throat, I was like, yo, I need to make this video. I haven't made this video yet. This video is due the first of the summer video, and I don't want to like mess it up, and I'm not gonna not post, because okay, I have 30 days in summer and we gonna do this, okay? And so I literally had to talk myself, and I was like, yeah, we just not gonna talk too high, but we gonna, you know, we gonna talk and we gonna tell the people what's up. So I'm closing out and I'm letting you guys know, because baby, I'ma do what I say I'ma do. So mortgage was $1,320. Patreon was $1,750. My HOA did change, so I had to pay my HOA with my credit card or my debit card. It didn't matter which card I used. So my HOA, as long as you use a card to pay for that, you're going to have to pay the credit card fee. And so I was like, damn, if I pay for even if I use my debit card, I still gotta pay a fee. And they're like, yeah. So I did pay my HOA, but I did have to pay a fee. So that one was $51.63. So it did go up a little bit. My pest control was $25, so that didn't change too much. My phone bill went down, and it was $54.13 from the $60. Mercury was my dad in Jamaica is supposed to get $200, but I only sent $100 this month. I don't know what I was on and why I forgot to send him the other $100, but I did, and so yeah, it's weird. It is what it is. It's weird. Yeah. Internet, I said $88, and so internet was $86.44. And y'all, the reason I think I have strep throat rather than like being sick, because you know, if I was sick, then I would have felt the cold on my chest, because I was outside, child. It was 23 degrees outside, but the way your girl was bundled up, no, that wasn't gonna be it. That wasn't why I'm sick. So the only other thing I can think of is I went to Thanksgiving dinner, and I saw this girl that I knew from when I first came to my current base, And so we were just talking, and she was telling me, oh, I was sick for like 5 days, and I was sick because I had strep. And I was like, oh, okay. And I was like, oh, well, I'm glad you recovered and you could come to dinner and stuff. And we were just kiki for a couple of minutes, and that was the only like sick person interaction that I'm aware of that I was around, you know. That was not a cold. And so that's the only thing, and I have the symptoms for strep throat. And so yeah, I was like, nope. I think that's what I have. And I've had strep throat before. It was much worse than this. Like, bear in mind, Sunday, this is, you know, recorded for, and Saturday, my throat was just hurting. I was drinking water because obviously when you're sick, you drink water to try to kind of like help you and to like sweat it out. But I was drinking water, and just the swallow was hurting, and I was like, bro, ain't no way. And so yeah, y'all, so I just sick. Anyways, let's move on. I'm gonna do Apple which was $8.01. That didn't change. My Navy Federal credit card, I did put money on my credit card, y'all. I did. I've been spending because it's Christmas and everything. I did. So I put $641.07 on my credit card, which I'm gonna use. I'm gonna pay off, you know. I'm gonna pay off, y'all. My nose and my throat is connected. You know, if you get sick, your nose, throat, and ears are connected. And so like, this is the longest I think I've talked in 2 days, if I'm not mistaken. And so my nose is like, yeah, we ain't used to this. And so I can't. Oh my god. All right, let me get through this video. I need to get through this video. Okay, so Apple Care is going to be $18.18. That hasn't changed. Electricity, instead of $100, it's actually super low. It was $50.47, and I was like, oh my god, that's amazing, right? Amazing. Canva is $12.99. Water was actually $55.17. My tides was $390 to account for the 10% of that. And then investing was still $0. So that happened. So let me do the calculations and then come back real quick. Okay, y'all, so my budget says that I spent a total of $2,830.59 for my bills. And so we're gonna subtract that from $3,907.88 minus $2,830.59, and that is going to equal to $1,077.29. So we're still doing good. We're still in the positive, so that's great. So now we're going to move down to my budget binders, which is my cash envelope, my saving challenges, and sinking funds. So yeah, cash envelopes. So for cash envelopes, I deposited a total of $580 into cash envelopes. Then I also, that probably should have been red, but it's fine. Then I also deposited a total of $655.77 to saving challenges and sinking funds. And so those two combined, 580 plus 655.17, 655.77, my bad, plus 0.70 equal $1,235.87. So So this came up to a total of $1,235.87. Girl, 580 plus 655.77, 77 cents. I don't know why I got this 80, but 77 cents. Where's my, where are they? Oh, they're right here, child. All right. Okay, and so that means that 1,077.29 minus $1,235.77 leaves me with a negative, come on, a negative $158.48, which sounds about right. So bear in mind, during the November, I bought Christmas gifts. I bought Christmas gifts. I like did unnecessary spending. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And so yeah, I did go over. What I'm supposed to actually. Well, I actually got an income on my credit card, and I'm gonna use my saving challenge, my Christmas saving challenge, to offset this money and to basically pay it off, and to also pay off my credit card. So yeah, so December's budget is gonna help to pay this remaining $641.07, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. But yeah guys, it's the first day of December. I hope you guys are ready for the happy holidays, and I want to be so excited about it, y'all. So excited, but my throat won't let me be great. Oh, I can't even scream out. My throat won't let me be great, and so you know, I'm just doing my best. So let me write down the numbers down here. So income sources for actual is $3,970.7.88. Bills and expenses, $2,830.59. And then budget binders was $1,235.77. And so that came up to a negative $158.48. All right, y'all. So like I said, I'm gonna go to the doctor. Hopefully they give me something to help with my throat. I've been like trying to hold it out, because you know, we big girls around here. I've been trying to hold it out and like, you know, get it together, but please, you know. And like I said, I've had strep before, so I'm not as falling out over on the floor as I was the first time. Go baby, the first time I couldn't do nothing. Like first time I had strep, my throat was itchy, it was sore, the back of my eyes were like throbbing, you know, because I had like migraines and stuff. And so that's why I said, like, I've been drinking water. I haven't taken anything for it, because I was home and I was like, you know, naturally I think I'm gonna get through it, but you know, I'm still yeah, I'm gonna need that. So I'm gonna go to the doctor this morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up. But if you guys enjoyed the first day of 25 days of Christmas, then please like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a happy holiday, and we're excited for all of Christmas. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not seen my December budget of how your girl's gonna basically spend her money for everything, go ahead and click the video because it's up on the screen now. But mine is Aneke. Oh girl, speak. My name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.